So when you go to the online PM Courses School, what you'll see is an opportunity to look at all of the different courses that we offer. We've got the Fast Start program, which is our shortest core video course. There's about 2.5 hours of material there, and it will really get you started quickly. At the other end of the spectrum, we've got the Immersion program. This is a really deep dive into project management. There's over 12 hours worth of content, and this will be suitable for the most serious of project managers and aspiring project managers. We'll take a look at the Skills Mastery program. This is the best-selling course. This course has the equivalent of a 2-day live training. There's nearly 6 hours worth of content here. So let's have a look at that. And here you can see there's a description of the course, who it's for, what you'll get, and in particular under what you'll get there's the full class curriculum, so you can see a sense of all the different content you'll get. And these symbols here, that indicates it's a video, this indicates it's a text-based module. So you'll see that most of this is video content. Down at the bottom you can select the plan, the payment plan. There's pound sterling plans and there's dollar plans, and sometimes there will be discounted prices available, as there are at the moment during the launch period. And there's also payment plans of 3 payments that you could select. We'll select the standard price, and we'll select it in dollars, and I'll show you why in a moment. Next, you need to put in your details to create an account. So let me put my name in there, and I'll put in an email address. Here I'll give myself a password as well. I'm in the UK, so I'll put that there, and I'll agree to the terms of use and the privacy policy. You can see those simply by clicking on them, and you'll get another window come up. So do read those, obviously, because they're important legal documents. So once I've read those, I can sign up. I'm not going to remember that. And now I can put in my credit card details, or I can pay by PayPal if I choose. But in this case, I've got a coupon, so I'm going to redeem that coupon. And that's it. Whether I paid or redeem the coupon, I can. I'm Dr. Mike Clay. Let's just silence that. I then get a thank you page, which tells me that I've bought this successfully. And also, it offers me the chance to upgrade to the Project Manager's Immersion program, the big 12-hour content. I can choose to upgrade here. I can find out more details, or if I'm not interested, I'm happy with the product I bought and I don't need to do that, then I can click on I'm not interested in this one-time offer. You can see how good value it is though, because there's an opportunity there to read why it's such good value. But at this stage I'm not interested, and by clicking on this I go through to the course, and I can now log in. And there we are. I am now inside the school, and I can see on the screen the course that I bought. And if you've bought more than one courses, they'll be there. And now I can have a look at that course. And this is what you'll see. The full curriculum is laid out in front of me, and I can start any of those modules as I choose. But let's start right at the top with the obviously named Read Me First, and as soon as I click a module you'll see the left hand column change. Once you're in the course and you're looking at the modules, this is what you'll see. The module itself will occupy most of the screen, and in the left hand column there's the navigation, and you can see the sections of the course, the program. In this case we've got, I think, 9 sections for the Project Manager's Skills Mastery program. I think there are actually 19 in the Immersion program, and I think there's something like 6 in the Fast Start program. And the plus will reveal the content of those sections, and each of these is a module from which you can learn. This first one explains how the interface works, and it also has a comment box there which allows you to leave comment, and actually that's the instruction. There's the real comment box for you to leave the comment there, and it also tells you what is yet to come as I build out more and more content for you. Now I finish this, I can either choose what I want to see next, and I can have anything I like, or I can just mark this as a complete section and continue. The sound's turned off on the screen at the moment, but what you can see here is a typical module which will have a video front and center with some text around it. This one is about me, the instructor, but you can find other course modules will have additional or different content alongside them. Some of the modules, not many, are purely text. This one is an example. Here you can see that not only is there text, but there are downloads, and when you click on these downloads, your browser will load it up ready for you to actively download to your screen, to your computer if you choose, or you can read it in your browser. Let's just close that for a moment. Let's pick a real substantial content element at random. Let's have a look at goals and objectives. What you see here is a very typical module. We've got content streaming on a video. We've got a description at the top here of what this content is, and many of the modules have a downloadable worksheet that goes with it. In this case, it's a project definition worksheet, which gives you a record of what we've talked about, and also in this case a simple template you can use for defining your own project. At any time you can go back to the previous lecture as well as going forward, or you can select any lecture that you choose, and eventually you will get to the last section where you can go through the final pieces with a celebration at the end. I'll leave you to discover that for yourself. So this is how it all works, and at all the times you'll find there is a level of completion marked on the top left there, so you know what your progress is. If you do a module, it will mark it as complete when you move on, but that doesn't stop you at any time from going back and having another look. Oh, it's worth pointing out this gear wheel here gives you a chance to turn on and off the autoplay, turn on and off the autocomplete, so it might not, if you don't want it to mark you as complete. And your player can be Flash or HTML5. I recommend HTML5 because a lot of mobile devices don't use Flash. And when you're finished with this course, if you want to go back, you can then come out of the course and see all of what's available. So that's how it all works, and I hope you enjoy it. But of course, if you have any problems, once you've signed up, do use the question and answer, the comment boxes to contact me. And if before you've signed up you have any problems, then go to the Online PM Courses website, and under the About section, you can contact me using the Contact Online PM Courses box, and that will pop up straight in my email. So this is Mike Clayton. Thank you very much for watching this short video, and I hope you enjoy your online PM courses.